Welcome to your Pangea Experience training video. Hello, my name is Wellington Obai and I am the official Pangea IFA trainer. This is actually part 3 of Pangea simulation. In part 2, we actually talked about and we went in depth into what each of these icons provide to you as a physician. Now in part 3, we will scroll down and look at the scenes that Pangea simulation provides to you for educational purposes. Now as you can see in the bottom, there are two different types of thumbnails, one in color and one in gray color. The one in color lets you know that it's available now. The one in gray lets you know that it's still in development. Therefore, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to look at the cellular basic scene module. When we go into the cell level, this actually illustrates the cellular level, what's happening in the cellular level within the human body. How do we navigate through this? Well, in our keyboards, we can see that if you press the W button, you zoom in. If you press the S button, you zoom out. If you press the A button, you go to the left. D button, you go to the right. Same concept with the arrows. The up arrow goes in, down arrow goes out, right arrow goes right, and left arrow goes left. Now if we want to talk about a specific cell, all we got to do is highlight it and press the left button on the mouse. Now as you can see, Pangea simulation has zoomed into the cell, opened it up, and is actually showing you the different parts that the cell has inside of it. Now to your left hand side, you'll see that it has a toxins, nutrients, and supplement tabs. For our training purposes, let's look at the toxins. When you press the toxins tab, it'll actually show you what happens in the cellular level when there's toxins in the system. As you can see, the receptors, they're acting differently. They're overworking each other out. Now, as you can see, the cell membrane is changing color. It's getting darker. As well as the inside, the cell, the color is changing. Now if we go to the nutrients tab, we'll see what happens when the nutrients get introduced to the cell. The receptors are working less. They're regenerating each other. And if you can pay close attention, the color of the cell and the membrane is changing. It will go back to its normal color. Now, the cool thing about this feature is that you're able to do the same thing that you did with Pangea simulation. You have your brush and your notes in order to customize your educational process. So if we go here, we press, let's go medium this time, the red color, and we just draw. Boom. Now, same thing with the notepad. Go here, you're able to keep on typing or type something new of what you're talking to the patient about. Now, same thing as Pangea simulation, you're able to take a screenshot. When you take screenshot, it'll take a screenshot of the actual image that you have in front of you with the drawing and the notes on it as well. Again, it'll go to you to your email. Then from there you can either send it to your client, or if you want to send it, or if you want the service to send it directly to them, you could do that as well. Therefore, thank you for seeing this excellent module and scene. This has been the conclusion of the part 3 of Pangea simulation. Thank you very much.